Model, 68-plate Vauxhall Vivaro 2701.6 CDTI, 95, L1H1. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 93,627. Engine, 1,598 cc 1.695 PSE6. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts on easy start. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Check engine light on the dash. Engine will need repairing or replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £6,175. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.